guys see me? I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but, that I'm not bitching. I can't barely see shit. I'm bored as fuck. Figured I'd make a short video before I go upstairs. I don't know what to talk about. I'm good now. Go upstairs. Talk to you guys later. Sorry about making a short video and leaving. But anyway, thanks.